right, to find
હા
the
મેમ.
final solution, right? હવે ડાયનેમિક પ્રોગ્રામિંગમાં પણ આપણે સબ પ્રોબ્લેમ સોલ્વ કર્યો, રાઈટ, અને બધાનું સોલ્યુશન કમ્બાઈન કરીને વી ગેટ ધી ફાઇનલ આન્સર, રાઈટ. પણ બંનેમાં એક ડિફરન્સ છે. શું ડિફરન્સ છે દર્શન?
યસ મેમ. ડિવાઈડ
વોટ
એન્ડ
ઇઝ ધ
કોન્કરમાં
ડિફરન્સ?
સબ
હા,
પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ સોલ્યુશનને મર્જ કરીને સોલ્યુશન શોધીએ, જ્યારે ડાયનેમિકમાં સબ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સના જે સોલ્યુશન મળે તેના પરથી શોધીએ.
okay, right. Main difference between divide and conquer strategy and dynamic programming is, in dynamic programming, right, we store the solution of each and every sub problem in one table, right, and whenever in future same sub problem occurs, right, then we directly take the solution from the table. No need to again calculate or no need to again find the solution for that sub problem, right. જ્યારે divide and conquer strategy માં repetition થાય sub problem નું, then also we have to calculate the solution for each and every time, રાઈટ. ડિવાઇડ એન્ડ કોન્કરમાં જેટલા પણ સબ પ્રોબ્લેમ છે, ભલે ડુપ્લિકેટ સબ પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય તો પણ દરેક વખતે એનું સોલ્યુશન ફાઇન્ડ કરવું પડે. જ્યારે ડાયનેમિક પ્રોગ્રામિંગમાં જેટલા પણ સબ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ આપણે સ્ટાર્ટિંગથી ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ ત્યારથી એના બધાના સોલ્યુશન એક ટેબલમાં સ્ટોર કરતા જશું, રાઈટ. અને ફ્યુચરમાં જો સેમ સબ પ્રોબ્લેમ આવે, રાઈટ, તો ડાયરેક્ટ ટેબલમાંથી એનો આન્સર લઈ લેશું, પાછી કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરવાની જરૂર નહીં પડે. સો દેટ ઇઝ અ મેઇન એડવાન્ટેજ ઓફ ડાયનેમિક પ્રોગ્રામિંગ and main difference between divide and conquer strategy and dynamic programming concept. Getting? હવે ખબર પડી બધાને?
યસ મેમ.
મેમ.
Okay. Now, in last lecture, we solve one we solve one problem to find the binomial coefficient using the dynamic programming. Right? એનું example પણ આપણે એક solve કરેલું. Right? Now today we'll start with the second problem that we can solve with the use of dynamic programming concept, that is making change problem. Right? Now what is making change problem? Right? Now this problem making change you can solve with the use of dynamic programming also, and also with the use of greedy method. Right? That is your next chapter. Right? This problem you can solve with the both the method, either with the use of greedy method, either dynamic programming, right? So today we solve this making change problem with the use of dynamic programming approach, right? So in this problem, right, consider you have some coins, right? Suppose 1 rupee coin, then 2 rupee coin, then 50 paisa coin, right? Then 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin, right? So you have some coins available, right? Now, making change problem is to pay the desired amount of money by using as few coins as possible. રાઈટ, તમારી પાસે જેટલા પણ કોઈન્સ છે એ બધા કોઈન્સમાંથી મિનિમમ કોઈન યુઝ કરીને you have to pay the desired amount of money. Right? To solve this problem, right, you can write an algorithm with the use of dynamic programming approach. Right? Now, as we use the dynamic programming approach, we need to build a table, right, in which rows correspond to denomination, right, and column correspond to 0 to n units. Right? Now, how to uh, build this table, right, that will be learn in detail. Right? So we need to generate a table of C small n comma capital N, right, where small n is equals to number of denominations, right, and capital N is equals to amount of which you need to make a change. Right? Now to generate a table, you have to use the following steps. Right? You have to use these steps to generate a table for C of ij. right? So first step, right, is make C of I 0 is equals to 0, right? Make C of I 0 is equals to 0 for 0 less than I less or equals to n, right? Write down these steps in your notebook. So જ્યારે આપણે example કરશું, then you can refer these steps to generate a table, right? આ જેટલા પણ
Hello.
steps અહીંયા, hello, hello, who's that? Okay, so write down these steps, right, in your notebook, right? So step 1 is make Ci 0 is equals to 0 for 0 less than I less or equals to n, right? Where I is the index for rows, right? And j is the index for column, right? So for each and every row, right, your first column is set to 0 for 0 less than I less or equals to n, right? Then repeat step 2 to step 4 for the remaining matrix value, right? Step 1 એક જ વાર perform થશે because there is only one zeroth column, right? One zero first column na each and every element 0 થઈ ગયા. Now next we have to repeat this step number 2 to 4 for filling the remaining value in the table matrix, right? So step number 2 is if I is equals to 1, right? That means this is for first row, right? So if I is equals to 1, then C of ij, C is your resultant table, right, which you want to generate, right? So if I is equals to 1, then C of ij is equals to 1 plus C1 into j minus d1, right? Either you can write this equation as C of ij is equals to 1 plus C of 1 comma j minus d1, right? Then step 3 is equals to if j less than di, right? Di means your uh, coin values, right? Di means your coin values, right? So if j less than di, then C of ij is equals to C of I minus 1 j, right? And step 4, otherwise, right, C of ij is equals to minimum of C of I minus 1 j comma 1 plus C of I j minus di, right? And if I is equals to 1 and then j less than d of I, then C of ij is equals to infinity, right? So this is the optimal substructure, right, to create a table to solve the making change problem, right? Now consider this example, right? Ha. Okay, ha. Okay. So now consider this example, right, where denominations are d1 is equals to 1, d2 is equals to 4, and d3 is equals to 6. It means you have total 3 coins, right, whose values are 1, 4, and 6, right? So d1 is equals to 1, d2 is equals to 4, and d3 is equals to 6, right? So in this, what is the value of small n? What is the value of small n? શું થશે small n ની value? We have total 3 denominations, right? So what is the value of small n?
3.
3, right? So here we have total 3 denomination, right? So small n is equals to 3. And what is the capital N? What is the
8.
capital N? 8, right? Because we have to make a change of how many rupees? 8, right? So capital N is equals to 8, right? So write down in your notebook, small n is equals to 3 and capital N is equals to 8, right? As we have small n is equals to 3, right? So we have total 3 rows in our table, right? I is equals to 1, I is equals to 2, and I is equals to 3, right? One is for D1, one is second is for D2, and third is for D3, right? And how many columns are there in your table? 8, right? જેટલું તમારું capital N ની value છે, that will become the value for J, right? So there are total 8 columns in your table. All of you draw this table. થઈ ગયું?
Yes, ma'am.
આટલું? Okay. Now, step 1 in our algorithm is C of I0 is equals to 0 for 0 less than I less or equals to n, right? So n is equals to 3, right? I is equals to 1. So 1 is less or equals to 3. Yes, right? So put 0 into which place? C of 1, 0 place, right? So C of 1, 0 is equals to 0. C of 2, 0 is equals to 0. C of 3, 0 is equals to 0, right? Getting a first column of 0 કેવી રીતે આવ્યું એ? Using this first step. Right? Now, next is step number 2 and 3. Step number 2, 3, 4 we have to repeatedly use, right? Until we fill the whole table, right? So consider this first row, right? First row, second column, right? For that, value of I is equals to 1, right? Value of J is equals to 1 and D1 is equals to 1, right? So table ની નીચે હવે તમે લખો, right? C of 1, 1, right? Because આપણે કઈ value find કરવી છે? C of 1, 1. This is our table matrix C, right? એના કયા cell ની value find કરવી છે? C of 1, 1, right? હું notepad માં લખું કે ચાલશે? નોટપેડ માં સોલ્વ કરું એક્ઝામ્પલ કે હું બોલું તો તમે જાતે સોલ્વ કરી લેશો?
ચાલશે ma'am.
ચાલશે? Okay, right? So below this table write down C of 1, 1, right? With I is equals to 1, J is equals to 1, and D1 is equals to 1, right? Now, here we have I is equals to 1. So, which equation is used? Step 2, 3 or 4?
2.
2, right? So, write down as I is equals to 1, right? C of 1, 1 is equals to 1 plus C of 1, right? What is the value of J in this equation? 1 minus 1. Right? So what is the value of C11? Use this equation, step 2. Right? Using this step 2 equation, you will get the value for C11. Right?
1.
So what will be the value for C11?
1.
1. Right? So write down 1 here. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, same way find the value for C12, C13, right? C14, C15, C16, C17, C18, right? So, let's find the value for C12. Right? C12. So, in C12, I is equals to 1, J is equals to 2, and D1 is equals to 1. Right? As I is equals to 1 here. So, again we have to use the equation in step 2. Right? So, what will be the value for C12? હવે હું જેને પૂછીશ એની પાસે મને આન્સર જોઈશે. Okay? So you all have to solve the example. હું કોઈને પણ પૂછીશ. અને જે વચ્ચે વચ્ચેથી જાણીને જ્યારે હું ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછું ત્યારે મીટિંગ લેફ્ટ કરે છે ને એ બધાના નામ હું લખું છું. રાઈટ? Mihir Patel. Mihir Patel, what is the answer for C12? Mihir, unmute your phone. મિહિર પટેલ, સંભળાય છે મારો અવાજ? જય ટંડેલ. What is the answer for C12? 2. રાઈટ? બધાનો આવે છે 2? કોઈનો નથી આવ્યું એવું બન્યું? Okay. Now next is find C13. C13, for C13, we have I is equals to 1, J is equals to 3, and D1 is equals to 1. Right? So using the same formula, find the value for C13 because I is equals to 1. Right? So we have to use the same formula. Ayaj. Ayaj, unmute
Yes,
your
sir.
phone. So what
Yes,
is the
sir.
answer for C13?
3.
Huh?
3.
3.
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
next find C14. રાઈટ, અહીંયા સોલ્વ કરતા કરતા જે ટેબલમાં હું આન્સર બતાવું છું, જો તમારો આન્સર એની સાથે મેચ નહીં થાય then tell me immediately. Right, કોઈનો પણ આન્સર નહીં આવે then tell me immediately, I will explain the method. Okay, for C14 I is equals to 1, J is equals to 4 and D1 is equals to 1. Right, so we have to use the same formula because I is equals to 1. So answer will be 4, right? Then for C15, C16, C17 and C18. Right, અહીંયા સુધી તમે કરી નાખો C18 સુધી. Right, and match your answer with table shown on your screen. Right, here we perform the calculation in row by row. Right, you can perform the calculation by column also. Right, અહીંયા આપણે શું કર્યું, પહેલા ફર્સ્ટ રો ને બધી કેલ્ક્યુલેશન ફાઇન્ડ કરી, then second row, then third row ની કરશો. રાઈટ, એની જગ્યાએ તમે કોલમ બાય કોલમ પણ કરી શકો. That depends on you. ઓકે, બધાનું થઈ ગયું ફર્સ્ટ રો માટે? Say yes or no in your chat box. Okay, so now we start with the second row, right? So second row ma 0th column માટે થઈ ગયું છે. Okay, so find the value for C21, right? C21, where I is equals to 2, J is equals to 1 and D2 is equals to 4, right? I is equals to 2, J is equals to 1 and D2 is equals to 4, right? Now here value of here we cannot use the step number 2 equation, right? Because value of I is not equals to 1. I is equals to 2. So we cannot use the step number 2. So we have to use either step number 4 or step number 3, right? So બેમાંથી કયું use થશે? So first compare the value of J with value of DI, right? So here value of J is 1, right? And value of DI is 4, right? So 1 is less than 4, right? So we have to use which step? Third, right? So use the third step equation, that is C of I J is equals to, it means C of 1 is equals to C of I minus 1 J, right? C of I minus 1 J, right? So J row છે તમારી, right? એનું -1 કરવાનું and value of J will be as it is, right? તમે જે કોલમમાં છો એની વેલ્યુ લેવાની અને કયા રો ની વેલ્યુ લેવાની? I minus J, means previous row value, right? So if you put the value of I and J in this equation, right, you will get C11. Already solve the sub problem C11, right? So no need to solve C11 again, right? So this is the advantage of dynamic programming, right? No need to solve the sub problem C11 again. We can use the solution of C11 from the table, ગેટિંગ ડાયનેમિક પ્રોગ્રામિંગ ક્યાં યુઝ થયું એ ખબર પડી? રાઈટ, તમે આ સોલ્વ કરવા બેસો C21, રાઈટ, સો એમાં પાછો એક સબ પ્રોબ્લેમ આવશે C11. Right, if you put the value of I and j into equation C of I minus 1 comma j, then you will get the C11 sub problem. Right, so C11 sub problem again already we solved, right, and stored its answer into table, so directly use that answer. Right, no need to compute the C11 again. Right, so here we use the dynamic programming approach. Right, so what is this value of C11? See in your table 1, right, so value of C21 is 1. આવ્યું બધાનું? સમજ પડી આ સ્ટેપમાં?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now next is find C22. C22. So for C22 we have I is equals to 2, J is equals to 2 and D2 is equals to 4. Right? So compare the value of J with D2. Value of J is 2 and D2 is 4. So 2 is less than 4. So again we have to use the same formula. Right? Now find the value of C22. Right? Put the value of I and j into equation C of I minus 1 j. Right? So encounter one sub problem C12. Right? Which we already solved. Right? So no need to solve that sub problem again. Right? Use the table to get the value of C12. Right? What is the value of C12? 2. So answer for C22 is 2. Right? Same way C23. C23. Right? So I is equals to 2, J is equals to 3, D2 is equals to 4. So J is less than D3 because J is 3 and D3 is 4. So again use same formula. Right? So answer will be 3. Right? તમે તમારી બુકમાં properly બધું લખજો. Right? Directly answer નથી લખવાનો. You have to write down like this. C23, then I is equals to 2, J is equals to 3, D2 is equals to 4, as J less than D3 because 3 less than 4. So we have to use the formula Ci minus 1 comma J. Right? Put the value of I and J. So C13, right, is equals to 3. That is C23 is equals to 3. You have to write like this. Right? C23 નું આવી ગયું. Now C24. Right? Now C24 we have I is equals to 2, J is equals to 4 and D2 is equals to 4. Right? Now I not equals to 1. So step 2 to follow નહીં થશે. Now step 3 માં શું છે? J less than D1. Now here J is equals to 4 and D2 is equals to 4. So 4 less than 4 condition false. So step 3 પણ follow નહીં થશે. Right? So we have to use step number 4 for for C24. Right? So C24 પર માટે આપણે કઈ ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ કરશું? This one. Right? So minimum of, here we have I is equals to 2. Right? So minimum of C of 2 minus 1. So that is 1 and J is equals to 4. So minimum of C14 comma 1 plus I. So that is 2 and J minus P1. So 4 minus 4, 0. Right? Now C14 ની વેલ્યુ શું છે? ટેબલમાં જો 4 comma 1 plus C20. C20 is 0. So minimum of 4 comma 1. So अब એમાંથી minimum કયું છે? 1. Right? So 1 will be answer for C24. ખબર પડી? આ કેવી રીતે આવ્યું એ ખબર પડી? ઓકે, બધાને સમજ પડી? और કોઈને કોઈ ડાઉટ છે?
મેમ એક વખત રિપીટ કરો.
Okay, right? So here, right, we have to find C24, right? C24, right? Now here I not equals to 1, so step 2 to follow nahi thase, right? Now we have to compare the value of j with di. Here value of j is 4, right? And what is the value of di? 4. So 4 less than 4, આ condition પણ false થઈ, so આ equation પણ નહીં use થશે, right? So આપણે કયું equation use કરવું પડશે? This, right? To get the value of C24, right? Now put all the value of I and j and di into this equation, right? Here I is equals to 2, j is equals to 4, and d2 is equals to 4, right? So બધાની value આપણે હવે ક્યાં લખશું? આ equation માં, right? So minimum of ci minus 1, I is equals to 2, right? So 2 minus 1, that is 1, right? j ની value શું છે? 4. So અહીંયા 4 લખ્યું, so C14 થઈ ગયું, comma 1 plus ci. So ci is it means C2, right? And j minus di. J is equals to 4, di is equals to 4. So 4 minus 4, that is 0, right? હવે C14 ની value શું છે? 4, right? Comma 1 plus C20 ની value શું છે? 0, right? So minimum of 4, 1 થઈ ગયું. હવે બેમાંથી minimum value કઈ છે? 1, right? So 1 will become the answer for C24. હવે ખબર પડી?
યસ મેમ.
રાઈટ, તમે તમારી નોટબુકમાં ઇક્વેશન સોલ્વ કરશો ને તો તમને ઇઝીલી સમજ પડશે. રાઈટ, નાઉ find the answer for C25, where I is equals to 2, J is equals to 5 and D2 is equals to 4. કઈ ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ કરવી પડશે? સ્ટેપ 2, 3 or 4?
4.
Why? Why? Because value of J is 5, which is greater than D2, right? And I is not equals to 1. So we cannot use step number 2 and step number 3. We have to use step number 4, right? So C25 નો answer શું આવે છે મને કહો? 2, right? So C25 is 2. Right? જેને નથી સમજ પડી અહીંયા નીચે સોલ્વ કરીને આપ્યું છે. You can refer this. Right? અને જેનું થઈ ગયું છે, they can find the value for C26. C26 માટે again we have to use the formula of step number 4. Right? Then C27 and C28. C27 માટે પણ step number 4 use કરવું પડશે and C28 માટે પણ step number 4 use કરવું પડશે, because for all this value of J is greater than value of DI. Right? અહીંયા જેટલા પણ number of sub problem અહીંયા આવે છે, right? Here C15, C21, right? Which we already find the solution for this value of Cij, right? So no need to calculate these sub problems again. Directly take this value from the table. Right? અહીંયા આને પાછું solve કરવાની જરૂર નથી, because આપણે already આગળ solve કરી દીધું છે. Right? So here dynamic programming is used. Now find for the third row, that is C31, C32, C33, C34, C35, C36, C37 and C38. Right? આ રીતે આખું ટેબલ કમ્પ્લીટ કરો. Right? And compare your answer with the table shown on your screen. અને કોઈ પણ સ્ટેપ્સમાં તમારો આન્સર મેચ નહીં થાય, then tell me immediately. At how many numbers of coins we require to make a change for rupees 8, right? So answer of this problem is equals to value of C small n comma capital N, right? Now C small n comma capital N. So key value thase C of 3, 8, right? Small n is equals to 3 and capital N is equals to 8. Right? So C38 ની જે value હશે, right, that is 2 in this case. Right? So we require total this many coins, right, to make a change for rupees 8. Right? So આપણે કેટલા coins જોઈશે? 2 coins. Right? Now we have 1 rupee coin, 4 rupee coin and 6 rupee coin. Right? So using which denominator value we can make the rupees 8, right? And we can select only two denominations, right? So kaya denominations use thase? D2 2 times, right? We can use 4 rupees coins 2 times, right? Or we can say that we can use 4 rupees coin, right, 2 times, right, or 2 coins of 4 rupees to get the 8 rupees, right? So total required just wait. Coin, right? We have to follow these steps, right? So here C3 comma 8, right? Now C3 comma 8 means we have to use the denomination value 6, right? If we use 6 rupees coin, 2 coins, right, then value will be 12. So we cannot use this denomination, right? So we have to start looking for C28, right? Now, sorry. Right? Now C28, right, has value 4. Right? So C28 is equals to 1 plus C 2 4. So that is, we can use this equation, right? So include the coin with denomination 4, right? So we can add 1 coin of denomination 4, right? Now we got to C24, right, which is not equals to C14, right? But C24 is equals to 1 plus C20, right? So again include the denomination 4, right? Go to C20, so that is equals to C10, so we have to stop here, right? So solution contains 2 coins with denomination 4, right? અહીંયા કેવી રીતે કરવાનું કે કયા કયા કોઈન એડ કરવાના ડાયરેક્ટલી આપણને અહીંયાથી ખબર પડી જાય, right? પણ એની કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કેવી રીતે કરવાની? So starting from CNN, right? C small n capital N. Normally C small n capital N, if this value gives you the optimal solution, right, then select the value CNN, right? But here CNN, right, value of denomination is 6, right? So if we select 2 coins of this denomination's value, right, then we get the answer 12 rupees, right, which does not match with our requirement, right? So we cannot select this solution, right? So we have to start looking at the upper row, right? So that is C28, right? Now C28, right, is not equals to C18, right? But C28 is equals to 1 plus C24, right? C28 is equals to 1 plus C24, right? You have to put the value into this equation, right? So C24 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to C28, right? So include the coin with denomination 4, right? So અહીંયાથી આપણે 1 coin add કરી શકીએ, right? Next, હવે second coin કયા denomination નો select કરવાનો, right? So we reach to C24, right? Any upper row માં જોવાનું in same column. Now C24 is equals to C14? No, right? But C24 is equals to 1 plus C20, right? So move here, right? And again include a coin with denomination 4, right? So બે coin તમારા add થઈ ગયા, right? Now go to C20. Now C20 is equals to C10, then stop, right? Whenever you fulfill this condition that your current position in your table is equals to previous row same column position, then stop adding the coins, right? So at the end you will get the final answer 2 coins with denomination 4, right? So this is the solution for make a change problem, right? Now in making change problem there is also one condition, right? Whenever you find the solution for each and every sub solution, right, and to put the values of I, j and di into the any of the equation, if you get the sub problem c of suppose c of 1 comma minus 1, right, then answer will be infinitive, right? So in જે તમે step 2 3 4 લખ્યા છે ને તેમાં નીચે એક add કરી દો, if I is equals to 1 and j less than di, right, બંને condition true થાય છે, right, then c of ij is equals to infinitive. C of ij is equals to infinitive. It means તમે calculation find કરતા જશો, right? અને જો કોઈક value માટે minus value આવે then put infinitive, right? અને table માં પણ એની value infinity જ લખવાની, right? So this is the make change problem, right? We see the algorithm and analysis part later on, right? Now you have to solve one example in assignment. I will share that assignment question on Classroom, right? After completion of this chapter I will upload the assignment for this chapter on Classroom, right? Then from that you can solve the different example of all these problems of dynamic programming, right? Now anybody has any doubt?